Imagine a world where computers use DNA instead of silicon to process information. DNA computing is an emerging technology that leverages the unique properties of DNA molecules to perform computations, potentially revolutionizing how we process information. Traditional silicon-based computing faces significant limitations. 1. Miniaturization limits. Silicon transistors are approaching their physical limits in terms of size and efficiency. 2. Heat generation. Increasing processing power generates more heat, posing cooling challenges. 3. Energy consumption. Silicon processors consume significant energy, impacting both costs and the environment. DNA computing uses the natural properties of DNA molecules to perform computational tasks. 1. Biological basis. DNA bases adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine can encode information and perform operations similar to binary code in traditional computing. 2. Parallel processing. DNA molecules can process vast amounts of information simultaneously, enabling highly parallel computation. 3. Self-assembly. DNA strands can self-assemble into complex structures, reducing manufacturing complexity and potentially lowering costs. Significant advancements are pushing DNA computing forward. 1. Molecular algorithms. Researchers have developed innovative algorithms that leverage the unique properties of DNA molecules for complex problem-solving. DNA's ability to store vast amounts of information in a compact form allows for the creation of highly parallel processing systems. These molecular algorithms can perform computations that are highly efficient and scalable, tackling problems that are difficult or impossible for traditional silicon-based systems to handle. For example, DNA computing has been utilized in solving combinatorial problems, like the Hamiltonian path problem, and in creating molecular logic gates that mimic digital circuits using biological molecules. 2. Interdisciplinary collaboration. The advancements in DNA computing are significantly propelled by interdisciplinary collaboration. This field requires the combined expertise of molecular biology, chemistry, and computer science to develop and implement DNA-based computational systems. Collaborations across these disciplines have led to breakthroughs, such as CRISPR-powered DNA computing and molecular logic gates. These interdisciplinary efforts are essential for creating innovative solutions that harness the full potential of DNA for computing purposes. 3. Practical applications. DNA computing holds promise for various practical applications that extend beyond the capabilities of traditional computing methods. Some notable applications include: first, cryptography. DNA computing offers a revolutionary approach to cryptography. DNA's vast storage capacity and complex structure enable the creation of highly secure encryption methods. This involves encoding information within the sequences of DNA molecules, making it extremely difficult to decipher without the correct biological key. The inherent complexity of DNA sequences adds an additional layer of security, potentially making DNA-based cryptographic systems more resilient against cyber attacks compared to traditional methods. Second, optimization problems. DNA computing is particularly effective at solving optimization problems. These problems, such as the traveling salesman problem, require evaluating numerous potential solutions to find the most efficient one. DNA computing can process many potential solutions simultaneously due to its ability to perform massively parallel operations. This parallelism allows DNA computers to explore a vast solution space quickly and efficiently, significantly outperforming traditional silicon-based computers for specific optimization tasks. Third, bioinformatics. The field of bioinformatics, which involves managing and analyzing large datasets generated in genomics and other biological fields, stands to benefit immensely from DNA computing. DNA computing's high data storage density and parallel processing capabilities can handle and analyze massive amounts of biological data more efficiently than current computational methods. This enhanced data processing capability could accelerate advancements in genomics, personalized medicine, and biological research. DNA computing's potential extends beyond these examples. promising advancements across various fields. By leveraging the unique properties of DNA for complex computational tasks. Actively growing companies with expertise in DNA computing. 1. Helixworks Technologies. This Irish-Indian startup is developing a platform for storing digital data in DNA molecules. They use proprietary technology to encode and retrieve digital information from DNA, leveraging the molecule's high-density storage capacity. 2. Biomemory. Recently welcomed as a new board member of the DNA Data Storage Alliance. Biomemory specializes in DNA-based data storage solutions, aiming to create a sustainable and long-term data storage ecosystem. 3. Entegris. Another new addition to the DNA Data Storage Alliance governing board. Entegris is involved in developing technologies that support DNA data storage, contributing to advancements in this innovative field. 4. DNA Data Storage Alliance. An organization with multiple member companies working together to promote and develop DNA as a data storage medium. Its mission is to create and promote an interoperable storage ecosystem based on DNA, addressing the growing need for efficient and sustainable data storage solutions. These companies are at the forefront of leveraging DNA computing and storage, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in data storage and computational efficiency. DNA computing offers a revolutionary approach to information processing with potential benefits, including unprecedented parallelism, energy efficiency, and scalability. As research progresses, DNA computing could transform fields ranging from data security to complex problem solving. Curious about the future of computing? Explore the world of DNA computing further and share your thoughts on this groundbreaking technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content.